Turbomachinery Lab at Texas A&M University. On this Turbo Tuesday, I wanted to tell you a little bit about our Asia Turbomachinery Pump Symposium. ATPS will be held in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, 7th through 9th of April, and ahead of the symposium, we'll have short courses on April 6th. ATPS is modeled after the long-standing Turbomachinery and Pump Symposium we hold in Houston, Texas annually. It's now in its 48th year. An exceptional technical program combined with world-class exhibits is what we model ATPS on. But what we do at ATPS and our new moniker is we make a difference a different way. So there's 4 ways we make a difference a different way. Our Industry Advisory Committee, the way we deliver our symposium content, the content's available online free, and we invite students and faculty to also attend free. ATPS is for the industry by the industry, driven by a top-tier advisory committee that donates their time and are supported by their companies to make sure that we have the top-tier best program in the industry. In addition to traditional lectures, ATPS also offers case studies, tutorials, discussion groups, and panel sessions. Another way we're different. One of the most impactful ways we're different is our proceedings are available online for free 6 months after each symposium. This started back in 1972 and goes up through today, 48 years worth of technical content available online for free. And finally, we invite students and faculty from university to attend our symposia for free. This allows faculty to interface with industry to be sure they're teaching real-world issues to their students, and students get to meet industry professionals and learn what jobs are going to be available for them when they graduate. And with that, I hope you will consider attending or exhibiting with ATPS in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. To get more information about ATPS, visit our website, atps.tamu.edu. Registration will open in January, and we hope to see you there.